Morning again. It's a wet and moist Saturday morning. Obviously yesterday you will have seen a few clips. I didn't really get to film a great deal yesterday because it was quite busy. I had to split the car in half. The car was out testing on Thursday with the driver, and at the end of the day there was a bit of a noise coming from the gearbox. It turns out it was the clutch release bearing, so I had to split the car in half yesterday, get that replaced, put it all back together and make sure everything's running okay. So it was a bit of a busier day than what was planned, just for a re-prep, but it should all be good today. And obviously we're heading over to the circuit now, about 15 minutes away, and it is very wet. The weather was worse a bit further north, so fingers crossed that doesn't head down here. It's going to be like a bit of an interchangeable day, I think, by the look of it. Start out wet and then be a little bit dry, hopefully. We've got like 1 20-minute free practice this morning, then straight to qualifying, then 2 races during the day. So I'll try and film as much as I can. It's a bit hard to frame stuff now because I've managed to break my camera. So my GoPro has lost its front screen, so this might be centralised or not, who knows. But yeah, so it's going to be a bit of an interesting day, wet and dry. There'll be lots of setup changes required, and probably last minute decisions. That's always how it goes. Much rather just be fully wet, fully dry, at least you know where you are then, and then less frantic rushing around. But that's what we're here for though, isn't it? So let's see what we can do. And yeah, I'll give you some more updates in the morning. We're about 10 minutes away, so I'll do a little bit of a time lapse going to finish off getting to the circuit. So see you in a little bit. Morning!
It's wet.
It's moist. Very moist. So, we're at Mallory, just going for free practice. Should be just a 20-minute session, still wet. Patched the car this morning, and here is famous racing driver.
Hi, vlog! How are you?
Very good, mate, yeah. You ready for some free practice?
Ready for some free practice.
Where are you going to watch from?
Hairpin.
Yeah. So all the times you've been lost, is it?
I think so. Just because it's such a slow speed corner. I think in the dry lap on Thursday, our minimum speed was 42 kph, which is like, what's that in miles? Like 30.
Yeah, 30. Yeah,
it's slow. It's like a school zone. Isn't it? So.
Get the zebra crossing down there. Just press the button when it's pressured on. Got all the grass on it. Why not? What have you told him not to do? You found the oil. Don't let it burn it. And you've got some hard. I can tell you got it now. Like medium on that. Yeah, we are, yeah, thank you.
What did I say you're not going on?
Told you.
So why did you go on the grass?
So we are in qualifying here at Mallory. Track is pretty much completely dry now compared to practice this morning. Times are about 12 seconds faster than they were in practice. So that goes to show how much faster it is. Currently P1 and P12 in class, so we're doing really well. Building on it, and we'll see how we get on for the rest of the session. There's about 13 minutes left, so plenty of time to come in, do crashes, do anything we need to. Yeah, just keep it on and keep it going.
How do I do that? YouTube, bro.
For you or for?
No, for Luke. We're on Luke's YouTube. Right, again.
So we're heading up for race 1. The weather looks a bit changeable. What do you predict, Bernard?
Hopefully it'll be a dry race.
Yeah, that'll be good if it is, I think. Starting what, P2 and P12?
P2, P12 is the first race, and then we start P2 and I think P12 for the second race.
Ah, fantastic.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed it stays dry for this one. It might be wet for the second one, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
It looks like it might be,
looks like it's
but
wet.
fingers crossed though.
Yeah, it's going to be very, very tight. There's only, what, 500 covered
top 3, I think, yeah. So less than a tenth between the top 4, top 3.
So it should be a nose-to-tail race for probably 4 or 5 cars together, I'd say, for the whole race.
Should be a good one. So we'll check in later. So, heading out for race 2. That was a bit of a shunt. Basically damaged the right rear corner, wishbone and the pickups onto the gearbox mount. So I had to drill and tap those, get those sorted out. And yeah, basically got that done with about 2 minutes to spare, retracked the car. And we've got it out just in time for the race. And it looks like it'll be either wet or dry. So we've got half and half set at the minute, so fingers crossed. We've literally got 3 minutes spare, so plenty of time. See how it goes. Starting P12 and P2.
Come Brucey, what are your predictions for the race?
What are my predictions?
Yeah, what do you reckon?
Whoever finishes first wins.
Sometimes that happens. Wet or dry? I think it's going to stay dry.
Might rain on the collecting area.
Yeah, that's it. It's quite very late on. We'll see.
So, we made it out for race 2, but we didn't quite make it back from race 2. Bambled on a wet setup and it rained just at the end of the race. And yeah, we coped with the rain really well. Nice work, Brian. So, I've got to get this back to the awning, get it loaded up, and get out of here. That's the end of the weekend, and yeah, exciting times, right?